In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal Weebly product page link into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this walkthrough, the button is on my WordPress demo page. The page I want to send people to is a Weebly product page. So the WordPress page controls the button, and the Weebly product page is where the visitor lands. First, I'll open the Weebly product page in a new tab. This is the direct product link people should visit after clicking the button. I'll copy that link so I can use it as the destination inside ClickMagick. Next, I'll open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the name, I'll use Weebly Product Demo. Then I'll paste the Weebly product page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagick where to send the visitor after the click is recorded. Now I'll save the tracking link. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking link that I can use on my demo page. I'll copy it, then go back to the WordPress editor. Now I'll select the Weebly product button. I'll replace the old direct product link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button text stays the same, and the page still looks the same to the visitor. I'll save the change and open the live demo page. Now I'll click the Weebly product button once. The same Weebly product page loads, so the destination is working correctly. Now I'll return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now showing. Here I can see how many clicks this Weebly product link receives. The main table shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can also review the clicks per day chart, link view, refer, sub ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now, this Weebly product page link gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.